Have you ever struggled to scale your business? Dan Martell has the answers you seek. As a Canadian entrepreneur and investor, Dan has over 2 decades of experience transforming startups into success stories. His ventures like Clarity.fm and Flowtown have set the stage for aspiring entrepreneurs. They exemplify what focused innovation can achieve. Through SaaS Academy, Dan empowers founders to harness their potential and master high-growth strategies in today's competitive market. He inspires with actionable advice on productivity and leadership, proving that your growth potential is limitless. Dan's book, Buy Back Your Time, reveals unique strategies for effective time management that can exponentially enhance your business impact. Investing in over 60 startups, including giants like Intercom and Udemy, Dan shapes the future of entrepreneurship. Beyond the business world, he competes in Ironman races, showcasing his relentless drive and commitment to personal achievement. Dan connects deeply with multiple audiences, offering invaluable insights to SaaS founders, tech investors, and self-improvement seekers alike. His engaging storytelling captivates, drawing you into his journey and the transformative lessons that could redefine your own success.